Hey y'all, this is Randy, the Mobile Traveler. Coming up next is the doctor's news, which, guess what? There is no news. I waited and waited and waited for the call, but to no avail. You know, the doctor's busy. I took a test, and I'll find out tomorrow probably what the results are and what we do next. So, to answer you guys' questions, and I do appreciate all the comments too. I know nothing, but I wanted to put up a quick video to tell you that. Didn't want to leave you hanging. So when I get information, be it tomorrow or the next day, I will let you know. All right. Now, let's do a few comments on here. I'll answer a few comments. One, Slatty Travels. Thank you very much for your insight on the tire problem. I go in Thursday to the tire shop and we'll figure out exactly what it is. But I will use those suggestions. And there was also a couple other ones that I don't remember the names right now. But they said the same thing. I do know my shocks are bad because I bounce from here to Kingdom Come when I hit a bump. And that will cause the cupping of the tires. I'm sure it's out of alignment, but I know I got it balanced here about a month ago. But balancing a tire, it doesn't do any good when you need an alignment. All right. What other comments do I got to answer? Oh, you guys said, I had a couple people say they didn't like Cruising Carl. Well, you know, Cruising Carl is kind of like alter ego. So he gets to say things that I don't dare say. I'll tell you what, you might think he's a puppet, but nah, he's up in here. He's in my head. But I thought it was just kind of fun to bring him out every now and then. And what's life if you don't have a little fun in it? So, you're going to be seeing Cruising Carl every now and then, because it's just plain fun. As far as my travel plans go, all I know is heading west as soon as I get all the doctoring done. Yeah, as soon as the doctor tells me it's okay, or gives me some type of a direction, then I'll be back on the road again. And it'll be fun. We're going to see some sights. We're going to do some fun things. And, hey, we might even play some games. Like, where's Carl at today? No, I'm teasing with the Carl thing. But, stick with me. And we're going to be doing some things.